everybody. Thanks for coming back to Dee's Variety Live. Um, I know I said I was going to do some cooking videos, but every time I cook, I forget to stand up and record. So that's something I'm working on. Um, um, Today's kind of one of those out of sorts energy days. I do have notes of different topics to discuss, but I don't know. At this point, I'm just trying to uh, stay consistent with making a video every day. I know the last video that I made I haven't put up yet. It's like 20 something minutes, almost 25 minutes. Trying to gonna keep them short, like 10 minutes. But I kind of went over on that when I think it was affirmation video. But I don't know. I could talk about things that are going on in the world, but I don't really pay attention that much to things that happen in 3D. Kind of operate in the spiritual end mostly. I don't really too much. I only operate in the 3D when I have to. So, I don't know. I try to be led by what to bring up, and I know I'm here to try to encourage you guys. Oh, my eyebrows look crazy. Here to encourage you guys. Because I mean, I know it's a lot going on, and a lot of people don't believe as I do. But the way I look at things, what's going on is a spiritual war. It's not as physical as it may seem. What they're doing is making everybody think that it's physical, and it's really not. It's really a time that we should tend to honing in on our power within and taking time with self, inner observance to know who we are. Time to do your research by being still and asking the God within for the answers to the questions that you need to know. Because if you don't go within now, probably not going to make it through all that they have planned. So I'm being led to do like a meditative healing right now. As I said before, I'm a spiritualist / healer / shaman of sorts. And I believe in the gods of the earth, gods of fire, the gods of air, the gods of water. May healing, divine healing energy rest upon those that desire it exactly when they need it, and to the degree, the amount, and power that they seek to receive it. Claim it and see yourself as healed and relieved of worry, stress, financial concern, and free of being confused, and claim the spirit of guidance from within. So mote it be. Ashe. If you guys have any questions concerning the information in this video, please put it in the comments. Thank you for coming back to visit the channel. I appreciate you guys for giving me this time. For time is the greatest thing that we have, the only thing that we can't get back. And when you choose to share some of your time, life, energy with me, I greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Go out today and do the best you can to be great, to love yourself, and give the overflow to someone else. But as I learned from Dr. Joe off of TikTok, love yourself. Give yourself the best first. That's from Dr. Joe. As I said, thank you for coming to spend time with me today. Leave your comments below. Other information concerning me and how I can be reached will be left in the description box. Remember, you are powerful. You are powerful. Thank you, and make it a great day. See you later.